If you've got a new M3 or M4 and you're happy with how it sits at the back, but you're unhappy with how much higher it is at the front, then this is the video for you. So the solution to that problem is this kit right here in front of me, which replaces the front 2 springs on the car only. Now this kit is from Eibach and it will reduce the front arch gap by 20 mil, and that will improve the overall balance of the car and give that a much better stance. We're also going to be fitting to this car a set of 12 mil spacers on the front and 12 mil spacers on the rear, which is going to fill out the arches and give an overall more aggressive look to the whole vehicle. So enough talking about it, let's get it fitted. Now that the springs and spacers are fitted, you can see the car is sitting significantly lower than before. It has dropped just under 20 mil already, and once it's settled, it will drop a little bit more. This is a subtle change without making the car look too highly modified, and it gives it that OEM plus look that the customer wanted. We can fit these parts in-house, just like we did to this customer, or we can ship them worldwide.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to the channel and turn your notifications on. If you want to join the conversation, please drop us a comment below and we will do our best to respond to you. And if you're running out of things to watch, why don't you watch one of these two?